Let's talk now about group benefit administration. This is the task your employer needs to handle. Two things that he has to do. First of one is to manage the contract. And then the second one is the employer contribution. As we can see, there's a definite split between the two activities. The contract means we get benefit. Each benefit could be subject to different taxes. Each of those benefit will affect an employee in particular, and when we assemble all the employees, we get to do an individual billing for that carrier. Obviously, the carriers are handling this quite well. They are offering website to do the work, and therefore the employer is able to easily manage the information and the changes and get the proper billing from their carrier. Then the same employer needs to turn around and determine who will be paying what as far as the benefits are concerned. So obviously, when they make those decisions, it becomes pretty complicated because they are income tax involved, taxable and deductible income that are based on what is paid by the employer for the benefit of the employee. So therefore, we need to make those business decisions, and this will affect the employees. And of course, once we have made those decisions, we have to throw the information into the payroll HR system. Again, if we did this only once during the year, right at the beginning, it would be relatively easy to build a Excel document to do those calculations for the simple cases. Unfortunately, it does not happen that way. There are changes that occur during the year, change of status, change of salaries, changes of benefit, and therefore we need to do those calculations again and again and again. And to compound onto that problem is the fact that a lot of the time it's going to be retroactive, where we will need to recalculate the proper premium and then the proper employee contribution and so on and so on. Then we add to this that we will have employees that will get on sick leave, paternity leave, or maternity leave, or simply quit, or whatever it is. But we've got different scenarios where this becomes a major pain for the sponsor. With the Allegroupe solution, we bring a global solution to those two activities. Therefore, starting with the Allegroupe system, you can now take care of managing both the contract and the employer contribution into a single input of information. And like I said before, we could do this for 8 different products for the light and super light, and over 20 different products if you are into the elite version. Furthermore, should you decide that you want to do some billing, well, we could do consolidated billing for all those clients if you've got multiple carriers handling the group benefit for these clients. This is our commitment to quality. This is what Allegroupe is all about. Now I would invite you to continue your search and find out how the Allegroupe solution will make your life easier and more productive.